Okay, nieces and nephews, I promised you I'd show you how to make my hot sauce chicken that I had on the grill. Well, I'm going to do that now, next up on Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I wanted to share a real quick recipe with you. Now, everybody's heard of Popeye's spicy chicken. Well, they wanted to know, how do I make my grilled hot sauce chicken? Well, I'm going to show you. Excuse me. All you need is some hot sauce. Okay, I use Louisiana brand. Some garlic. And some honey. That's all you need, okay? I've got about 10 pieces of chicken here. I got chicken thighs. I'm going to put in, excuse me, some hot sauce. Let me use the last of this hot sauce here. But cover it real good with the hot sauce, okay? That's all you got to do. Make sure it's covered real good. Just like that. The hot sauce is going to make it spicy and give it a real good flavor, okay? All right. Now you take your garlic, go over it very generously, okay? And I'm just doing this to taste. Take your honey and go over it very generously as well. The honey is going to give it a balance between the sweet and the salty taste that is out of this world. Now you can fry this chicken as well, but it's got to marinate overnight, okay? But I love it on the grill. I think it's best on the grill, okay? All right. Now I'm gonna do this just like that, and that's enough of that. Now, get you a top. Put it on top of it just like that. Mix it around real good. And let it marinate overnight for at least 24 hours, okay? All right. I will show you the results. Next time, though, I know I'm such a stinker. Hey, check back in. I promise I will show you how this turns out. But it is so good. Now remember, you got to let it marinate at least overnight, if not 2 days, okay? It is excellent on the grill, and you will put Popeyes out of business. All right. Till next time, my nieces and nephews, big love from Uncle Chris.